So in this lecture we are going to discuss the two different modes by which we can establish the wireless local area network. So we can establish the wireless local area network by using infrastructure mode or by using the ad hoc mode. So first of all we will see about the infrastructure mode. The infrastructure in the diagram you can see that in the infrastructure mode we can establish the connection by using the different access points. The infrastructure networks not only provide access to the other network but also includes forwarding functions, medium access controls during the communication. So in the diagram we can see that in this infrastructure based wireless local area network, communication typically takes place only in between the wireless node and the access point, but not directly between the different wireless nodes. The access point does not just control the medium but also acts as the bridge between the wireless, or we can say different wireless network, or we can say in between wireless and wired network. So in this we can say that whenever the wireless node want to establish the communication by using the infrastructure mode, the communication can take place only through this access point. The different wireless nodes cannot establish communication directly in between them. The figure shows the three different access points with their three wireless networks and wired network. Several wireless networks may form one logical wireless network, so the access point together with fixed network in between can connect several wireless networks to form a larger network beyond the actual radio range. So we can see in the diagram there are three different wireless local area network are established by using the three different access point. But whenever we have to establish the large wireless local area network, so such several wireless networks can be combined together, by which the radio coverage, or you can say the transmission coverage, can be increased by combining such different wireless local area network. Typically, the design of infrastructure-based wireless network is simpler because most of the network functionality lies within only the access point, whereas the wireless client can remain very simple. So whichever the functionality for establishing the communication, that most of the functionality is in the access point itself. So whichever the different wireless nodes that want to establish the communication using this ad hoc mode can remain very simple during the communication. So most of the functionality will be performed by the access point itself. This type of network can use different access schemes with or without collision. Collision may occur if the medium access of wireless node and access point is not coordinated. So the different collision access mechanism, or you can say medium access control mechanism, can be established into the ad hoc mode. But if the collision, or can say medium access control, is not considered, then the possibility of collision may occur, or the collision may occur during the transmission. However, if only the access point controls the medium access, no collision are possible. So as I already said, most of the time, or can say most of the functionality, the access point have to be performed into the infrastructure mode. So the medium access control mechanism is also handled by this access point itself. So possibility of reducing, or can say avoiding the collision due to the access point. However, if only the access point controls the medium access, then there is no possibility of collision. This setting may be useful for the quality of service guarantees such as minimum bandwidth for the certain node. So whenever we are going to add this mechanism, or you can say medium access control mechanism, into the access point, the possibility of increasing the service of quality increases. the infrastructure based network lose some of the flexibility wireless network can offer. For example, they cannot used for the disaster relief in case where no infrastructure is left. So as the important factor or the important element into this infrastructure mode is the access point. So if during the natural calamities or disaster this access point will be damaged, then there is no possibility of establishing the communication by using this infrastructure mode. So we have to consider, or you can say this may be the one of the disadvantage of this infrastructure mode. Typically, cellular phone networks are the infrastructure based networks for establishing the communication. Infrastructure does not necessarily imply a wired fixed network for establishing the communication. So this is nothing but about the infrastructure mode. So in short, we can say about the infrastructure mode, whatever the communication that need to be implemented by using the infrastructure mode into the wireless local area network, that can be implemented through the access point. It cannot be implemented directly in between the different wireless local area network node during the communication. Then we will move towards the ad hoc mode. The ad hoc wireless network, however, do not need a such infrastructure or access point to establish the communication, in which each node can communicate directly with each other. So there is no need or no access point is required for the establishing communication. So figure shows the two different ad hoc nodes, ad hoc wireless local area networks with three different nodes in each wireless local area network. Nodes within ad hoc network can only communicate if they can reach each other physically, if, or we can say if they are within each other's radio range, and if other node can forward the message. The nodes from the two networks shown in figure cannot therefore communicate with each other if they are not within the same radio range or coverage. So we can say that if these are the two different wireless local area network and the nodes of these two networks or local area network want to establish the communication, and if they are not within the radio range of each other, they cannot establish the communication in between them. In ad hoc network, the complexity of each node is higher because every node has to implement the medium access mechanisms to hidden or exposed terminal problem, and perhaps priority mechanism to provide a certain quality of service. So as compared to the infrastructure mode, the nodes which are used into the ad hoc mode should have the complex, or you can say those are the very complex, as all those nodes need to implement all these mechanisms such as medium access mechanism to handle hidden or exposed terminal problem, or priority mechanism to provide the quality of service. This type of wireless network exhibits the greatest possible flexibility, as it is, for example, needed for unexpected meetings, quick replacement of infrastructure, or communication scenarios far away from any infrastructure. So the example of this, we can say, ad hoc mode is nothing but the Bluetooth transmission. So Bluetooth transmission, or can say the Bluetooth wireless local area network uses this mode, that is ad hoc mode, for the transmission. So there is no such need of any access point in between the different nodes to establish the communication. So this is nothing but ad hoc mode. The question was asked so many times, compare infrastructure and ad hoc modes of establishing the communication, maybe for 8 marks, or that can be asked for 4 marks. Thank you.